Welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim Creed. I'm Jess Powell, project manager in the water group here in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today we're at the Lower Cape Fear Water and Sewer Authority raw water transmission main project where we are crossing the Cape Fear River. We're installing the first section of 54-inch pipe. Let's check it out. In today's episode, we are at a critical point in the project where Garney's marine crews will be installing the section of pipeline across the Cape Fear River. We've got about a 400-foot river crossing here. The excavator here has been digging a trench across the river for the last 3 to 4 weeks. The Garney marine crews are introducing water into the pipe to control sink it. They have a ballast pipe that will help them sink the pipe into place. This project is a partnership between the Lower Cape Fear Water and Sewer Authority, the Cape Fear Public Utility Authority, and the Pender County Utilities. This project is a design-build project with Garney Construction as the builder and McKim Creed as the designer. In support of our engineering effort, our geomatics team performed boundary, topographic, and hydrographic surveying, SUE, and easement mapping. This is the second phase of the Kings Bluff Pipeline Project. Back in 2019, we designed 14 miles of parallel 54-inch pipeline. This second phase here is 7 miles and extends from where the first phase left off in Brunswick County across the river to New Hanover County, and will deliver water to Pender and CFPUA. Construction is anticipated to be complete in the spring of 2026. The phase 3 design is currently underway with construction scheduled to be completed by the end of 2027. This pipeline will increase capacity and reliability for the Lower Cape Fear region for decades to come. The design for this project consisted of 7 miles of 54-inch welded steel pipe. I'm 6 foot tall, so as you can see, this pipe is pretty large. One of the challenges of this project was permitting the Cape Fear River crossing. Due to the size of the pipe, the depth of the river, and the required geometry for the drill, a horizontal directional drill is not feasible. As you can see behind me, the Garney Marine Crew has a team of divers in the water. The diving team will be working on marrying the 2 sections of pipe up and bolting the flanges together. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of In the Field with McKim Creed. We'll see you next time.